Make, solve, create. Help Dot build a safe playground. This is Dot. She lives at Scienceworks and she likes to build things with her friends. She wants your help to build a safe playground where she can climb. Will it be safe if I fall? Slide. How do I get up to the top of the slide? Swing. Is there enough room for me to swing really high? What other things do you like to do at the playground? You can use any materials you have to show what your playground looks like. Paper or cardboard, pipe cleaners, tape or glue, sticks, string, blocks, recycled materials, Play-Doh. What else might you need or use?